Hi friends, I am Hanan. I am from Young India IAS Academy. Today I am going to tell about 15 Presidents of India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Zakir Hussain, V.V. Gitti, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, Zail Singh, Ramaswamy Venkataraman, Shankar Dayal Sharma, K.R. Narayanan, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patel, Ramnath Kovind, and the last one, Draupadi Murmu. Thank you.